Hello dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. In this class I will be explaining about computing DFT of a given sequence x of n using radix 2 DIF FFT algorithm. Okay, using radix 2 DIF FFT butterfly diagram. We can say either as DIF FFT algorithm or DIF FFT butterfly diagram or flow graph. Okay, let us start the problem and its solution. The given question is compute DFT of the sequence x of n 1 0 0 4 zeros using radix 2 DIF FFT. Coming to the solution, the first step you have to write the given sequence x of n. X of n is given as 1 0 0 4 zeros, and then express this x of n as the length of this x of n is 8. 8 elements are there, 8 samples are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So its length is 8. So you can represent each sample by x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7, which I have written it here. So we can write the sequence in this form. Okay. So by this you can easily locate x of 0 value is 1. Okay. So the first step is to write the given sequence. Second step is to write the bit reversal table. How to write the bit reversal table? Its length is 8. So we can write n is equal to 8, which is equal to 2 to the power 3. So 3 indicates that we have to represent each number by 3 binary bits. Okay. So we have take its length is 8. So we have written from the numbers 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and their corresponding binary numbers in a combination of 3 bits, as 0 is represented as 000, 1 is 001, 2 is 010, 3 is 011, 4 is 100, 5 is 101, 6 is 110, 7 is 1111. So you have to do bit reversal of this binary number. So interchange the LSB and MSB bit values, interchange. So after interchanging it will come as 000. If you interchange this, it will become 100. That is, the middle sample is not disturbed, the middle binary number is not disturbed. LSB and MSB are interchanged. So 0 1 0, this one is 1 1 0, this one is 0 0 1, 1 0 1, this is 0 1 1, 111. After bit reversal, write their decimal equivalent, that is known as bit reversal index. So it is 000 is 0, 100 is 4, 010 is 2, 110 is 6, 001 is 1, 101 is 5, 011 is 3, 111 is 7. So you have written 0 to 7, their bit reversal is coming as 0, 4, 2, 6. So first 4 are even numbers and then comes 1, 5, 3, 7. These are odd numbers. So first step is write the sequence, second step is to write the bit reversal table. Third step, you know how to draw the 8-point DIF flow graph, which I have already drawn it here. Okay, so what are the twiddle factors involved here? W8 of 0, W8 of 1, W8 to the power 2, W8 to the power 3. So these are the 4 twiddle factors used in the flow graph, in the butterfly diagram. So we have to compute them before solving the problem. Okay. So which I have computed it here. So let us see how to compute W8 to the power 0. The formula is e to the power minus j 2 pi k by capital N. So it is e to the power minus j 2 pi 0 by 8, which is coming as e to the power 0, and e to the power 0 value is 1. Next one, W8 to the power 1 is equal to e to the power minus j 2 pi 1 by 8, which is coming as e to the power minus j pi by 4. On expanding, we can write cos pi by 4 minus sin pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is 0.707, sin pi by 4 is 0.707. So we get W8 to the power 1 is this value. W8 to the power 2, e to the power minus j 2 pi, k is 2, n is 8. On simplifying, you will get as e to the power minus j pi by 2, which is equal to cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 is 0 and sin pi by 2 value is 1. So you get it as minus j. W8 to the power 3, on simplifying you will get it as minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So finally I have written all the 4 twiddle factors. W8 to the power value is 1, W8 to the power 1 is 0.707 minus j 0.707, W8 to the power 2 is minus j, W8 to the power 3 is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So we will compute all the twiddle factors before solving the problem using the butterfly diagram. So this is the DIF flow graph, the 8 point. This is an 8 point DIF FFT butterfly diagram. Okay. So in DIF, input is represented by small x of n. Input is small x of n. Using this butterfly diagram, what you are computing? You are computing capital X of k. Okay. So at the input side, you must use small x of n, and at the output side, use capital X of k. In DIF, input is in the natural order and output is in the bit reversal form. So input natural order x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7, and their values also have mentioned as 1, 000 and then 4 zeros. Okay, and at the output side, the output is bit reversal. So it is capital X of 0, capital X of 4, x of 2, x of 6. Okay, and then x of 1, x of 5, x of 3 and x of 7. So very important to be understood here is input is small x of n and output is capital X of k with the bit reversal. Input is in the natural order. Here in this 8 point DIF, we are having 3 stages. In the first stage, it's having one set of butterfly comprising of 4 butterflies. Okay, so the first pink butterfly if you take, what are the inputs for this pink butterfly? Input is 1 and here the input is 0. Okay, for DIF, how to solve the DIF flow graph? So you have to remember what is its output equation. If the input is A, inputs are A and B, and the twiddle factor is Wn to the power k, so capital A, capital B are the output variables. So the equation for DIF, this is a general butterfly diagram of DIF. So the equation of first line is A plus B, and for the below line it is A minus B, Wn to the power k. Okay, so these 2 formulas you have to use in this diagram. So if you look at this pink butterfly, the input is 1 and here it is 0. So what will be the output here? A plus B. So A plus B means 1 plus 0, which which is coming to be as 1. Okay, and what will be the output here? A minus B, that is 1 minus 0, W8 to the power of 0. What is W8 to the power 0? 1. So it will come as 1. Okay. Now looking at this orange butterfly, what are the inputs here? For this orange butterfly, the input is 0 and 0. When the inputs are 0, 0, the output will also come 0 plus 0, 0. So here the output will come as 0. And here A minus B. A minus B means 0 minus 0. So it will come as 0. Okay. And coming to this blue butterfly, the inputs are 0 and 0. Okay. So what will be the upper line? A plus B. A is 0, B is 0. So the output, how much it will come? It will also come as 0. And for the blue butterfly, what are the inputs? 0, 0. So A minus B. A minus B means 0 minus 0, 0. So it will come as 0. For this purple butterfly, the inputs here are 0 and 0. So the upper line will be A plus B. 0 plus 0 will come as 0. And here the below line will also come as 0. So what you are getting here? The output of first stage is coming as 1 triple 0, 1 triple 0. Now this will act as input to this next set of butterfly. So let us take this blue butterfly now. So what are the inputs for this first butterfly? 1 and 0. So what will be the output here? A plus B. A plus B means 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. The lower line equation is A minus B. 1 minus 0, W8 to the power 0. So it will come as 1. It will come as 1. And for this orange butterfly, the inputs are 0, 0. So the output here will be 0 and here also it will come as 0. So what is the output coming? 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Now coming to this blue butterfly, the inputs are 1 and 0. So what will be the output here? 1. And for this lower line, it will be 1. And for this orange, the inputs are 0, 0. The upper line will have 0 and the lower line will also have 0. So the output of second stage, how it is coming? 1, 0, 1, 0. Now let us do for the third stage. Here for this butterfly, the input is 1 and 0. So what will be the output here? 1 plus 0, 1. And for the lower line it is 1 minus 0, W8 to the power 0, which is also which will come as 1. So here the inputs are 1, 0. So again it will come as 1, 1. Input is 1, 0. It will again come as 1, 1. Here also the input is 1, 1. So what is the result? X of 0 is 1, X of 4 is 1, X of 2 is 1, X of 6 is 1, X of 1 is 1, X of 5 is 1, X of 3 is 1 and X of 7 is 1. So what is capital X of k coming as? All are coming as 1. So let us write the table form of each stage output. Input, first stage output, first stage output is this one, and this is the first stage. This is known as first stage. This is the second stage, and this is known as third stage. Okay. So what will be the second stage output? Third stage output, and finally this output x of k. This is small x of n. Okay. So here the input is 1 000 and then 4 zeros. 1 000 and then 4 zeros. What is output of second stage? Output of second stage is coming, output of first stage is what? Okay, sorry, this one is input I have written. So output of second stage will be, input is this one, x of n, 1 000 and then 4 zeros. 1 000 4 zeros, and then coming to output of first stage. This is the input, output of first stage is 1 000. Okay, so you are getting 1 000 and then 1 000. So you are getting 1 000 and then 1 000. This is output of first stage. Coming to second stage, what is output here? 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So output of second stage is written as 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Now output of third stage, what is output of third stage? All are coming ones. All are coming 1. That is same, the output of third stage is same as your x of k. So what is x of k? All are 1. Here you have to remember, in DIF the output is in the bit reversal. So you have to write it in the proper form, in the natural order when you are writing the result. Here all are 1, so it's x of k value is equal to capital X of 0, capital X of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7, like this. So here you observe, what is x of 4 value? 1. So x of 1, 1, 1, like this. So this is capital X of k. Okay. So in this way you can solve 8-point DIF for computing DFT for a given sequence x of n. I hope you have understood the class. Thank you. Good luck, students.